In this video, we'll look at pipe connections. You can add a pipe connection by clicking PC at the bottom, or right-clicking on the schematic and clicking Add Pipe Connection. The automet default is a weldolet. Edit the fitting by double-clicking it or the C in the schematic. There are a variety of components included under pipe connections. Select the type of pipe connection here. Change the schedule here. Change the size of the connection here. Add pipe length beyond the pipe connection here. Change the branch geometry here. Change the branch distance here. We can change the direction of the branch by using the three dots within branch geometry. These options are all on the grid. You can use the azimuth and zenith or the polar coordinates to create off-the-grid directions. So let's have a look at how this works for stab-ins. The controls for stab-ins are the same as weldolets. Finally, let's look at adding shoes. We have all of the same edit options that we have seen previously, except that we now get to edit the support plate. You can change the length, width, and thickness of the plate by changing the settings here. We can choose between a plate or a box here. Here is how the plate appears. Here is how the box appears. We can also align and rotate shoe base plates. The shoe is labeled as F for flange in the schematic. Let's look at how to rotate a shoe support. Editing a support is as simple as opening the edit box and editing this value in the base plate orientation box. You can change the degree value relative to the main line. Here are some examples of how you might orientate these supports for this spool.